Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable start to tray icon on your Bitwarden Desktop app. So what you guys want to do first is go over to the top left on your screen and click on File. Now here, click on the settings. And let me close the security and preferences. We don't need these. We need app settings right here. Now we need to scroll a bit down until we see start tray icon. Now as you guys can see, when the application is first started, then it will only show an icon in the system tray, so right here. Now as you guys can see, we can show or hide. And this is where we will be able to use our app. It won't open in a big window like this. It will open in a system tray. So it's totally up to you. You guys can enable it by clicking on the checkbox right here. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, subscription and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one.